They're helping prisoners transition from prison to here, and they're wanting to use our tiny homes.
Oh
How
my gosh.
nice.
Is that not amazing?
That is amazing.
Finally,
That's
to use it,
right.
yes, and next should be the homeless.
That's
Because
good.
we,
And then after that, college students.
yes, exactly. What and senior
told my- I
citizens,
told- yes,
senior
I told my
citizens need it
grandson.
desperately. Yeah,
right.
nice to meet you all.
Video of Yuri on there.
That's it. Bye, Nancy. Bye. What is your name?
I'm Fred.
Fred. Nice to meet you. Yeah, nice to meet you, Fred.
Man, this is a demonstration about how secure the Incredible cottages are.
Oh, so we've lost.
To break into.
I see what's happening here. I see what. Georgia, look what's happening here. Is this Tech Tuesday?
This is how we roll.
He locked the door. They locked the door. You had to climb in the window. Bye, guys. Bye. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Oh, yes, in the future.
How sweet.
My plan is next August, 70th birthday.
That's what Sherry said too. Next August.
Because I just made my 69th on the 18th.
I can't believe you're about to be 70. That's amazing.
Well, I just had my 69th on the 18th of August.
We're so excited. Nancy's coming. You're coming. Sherry's coming. I mean, listen, this is gonna be a good crowd. Well, isn't that something we're gonna call that Tech Friday, I guess, of how to break into a tiny home.
yes.
That's gonna be the title, Georgia. That's gonna be the title.
Yes.